BigQuery is one of my favorite service in Google Cloud. I seriously believe that no other cloud provider has any similar service. Yes, AWS has a service called as Redshift, but still, the scale, the ease of use of BigQuery is matchless so far. There is a concept in BigQuery called as BigQuery views. This video quickly gives you an introduction to that concept. BigQuery is a petabyte-sized data warehouse. A data warehouse is where your organization's clean data lives. You can query BigQuery with standard SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So what are BigQuery views? BigQuery views are curated selections of content that a data analyst or data scientist can make available, either for other data analysts or data scientists, or for executives, or even for the public, to create the impression that they have given you what you need. View is like a dashboard, but it is way easier to create through the SQL query. Now let's have a quick look at the difference between a BigQuery table and a view. A BigQuery table contains individual records organized in rows. Each record is composed of columns, also called as fields. A BigQuery view is a virtual table defined by a SQL query. You can connect a Looker Studio data source, for example, to a single table or view or to a custom query. What makes BigQuery views extra special? The reason why they are so special is that they can be incorporated easily and directly into your application. So if you are using such as a language such as React.js, you could do something completely unique like creating a component for your BigQuery view. And then you can even make this component dynamic, and you can embed 100 or thousands of BigQuery's view in your JS script. On your screen, you can see that I have given two ways of creating BigQuery views. One is through the simple familiar SQL construct where I'm just issuing the create view command with my project and other stuff, and then I'm selecting the data. And this view definition could be as complex as per your use case. And in the second example from line number 12, I'm using the BigQuery's BQ CLI to create the view. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you.